What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have something super exciting to film. If you didn't watch my last video, then I suggest you go do that like now. But basically I was talking about a bag that I recently came across and was actually released on November the 1st 2019, and when I saw this bag I was just beyond excited. I knew it was the bag that I wanted. I hadn't seen it in store, I only saw it online, but when I looked online you couldn't order it, you couldn't do like anything to get the bag. So I basically went on a hunt and called up like my local Louis Vuitton to see if they had the bag, and they didn't. Like nowhere had this bag. It was so freaking hard to get your hands on this bag that I was just so distraught. That sounds absolutely ridiculous, but that's just the truth. You know, when you want something so bad and then you're like, yeah, I'm gonna get it. You try and get it and you can't get it. Like, isn't that just so annoying? Well, that's basically what happened. So first and foremost, I just want to say that I'm thinking of doing a giveaway. So I know I'm only at like 200 subscribers or just under 200 subscribers, but I'm thinking of doing a giveaway when I get to 1,000 subscribers. And it will probably be something to do with Louis Vuitton or, you know, a like-for-like brand like that. So I don't know, if you guys are interested in that giveaway, then maybe let me know. So I suppose subscribe to my channel so that I can know that you guys want me to do a giveaway. It will be a luxury item, so yeah, if you guys want me to do that, then subscribe, and I will definitely pick out a pretty neat piece, and hopefully we can get to 1,000 subscribers before Christmas. Therefore I can gift you guys one of the items from Louis Vuitton. I don't know what it is yet, I haven't bought it yet, but I can go ahead and source that before Christmas. Therefore you guys have it in time for Christmas, or if you want to gift it to somebody else yourselves, whatever the case may be. But yeah, so I guess I will know if you're interested if you subscribe to my channel, and if we get to 1,000 subscribers before Christmas, then I will gift you guys something, because yeah, it would be the way that I'll show my appreciation to you guys. I managed to source one of the bags that I wanted, which was the Louis Vuitton new bum bag. Now I've seen the bum bag, or Louis Vuitton's bum bags, before, and I've seen them everywhere, blah blah blah, but this one, however, is something new that I haven't seen everywhere just yet. So it is a limited edition collection, and I'm pretty excited that I managed to get my hands on it. Guys, I swear to God, like I swear, like I tried to get hold of this bag for 4 days straight, and I failed, and I failed, and I failed. I then bought a different bag that's actually in this collection. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already know what bag that is. If you don't, then I suggest you follow me on Instagram too. But I managed to source a different bag in this Teddy Shearling collection, which is what the collection is called. And as I said, it only launched here in the States on November 1st, and everything was pretty much sold out in the pre-order, which I didn't order in the pre-order. So yeah, so I ended up buying the other bag first, and I gave up on this particular bag. But then I was like, no, I'm not going to give up. I kept ringing. I rang the entire nation, the whole country, different states. I even rang stores in the UK, because obviously I'm from the UK, and I could get somebody to get that bag to me if they were able to source it over in the UK. But I called the UK, they were fully sold out like everywhere as well. So that just was not happening. Anyway, so I kept searching because I was like, you know what, I'm not going to give up. And then I rang one store and they were like, yeah, we have one in. And I was like,
Bruh.
You what? I was so ecstatic. I started laughing on the phone and the guy was like, okay. Anyways, I stopped talking because I'm sure you guys just want to see the bag itself. So I have already opened it because I'm very impatient, and that's that. So obviously it comes in the Louis Vuitton box, as they always do. Obviously it comes with the little ribbon usually, but like I said, I already opened it, so that's off already. In the box, you of course get the bag in a dust bag as per usual, and inside the dust bag is the bibit. Are you ready? Are you steady? Okay, so here is the Louis Vuitton bum bag that I bought. Oh my goodness. Oh, isn't she precious? Oh, look at it. Oh my goodness. This is she. She is a belt bag, and so obviously you can wear it as a belt bag, or you can wear it as a crossbody like this, or of course you can wear it as a belt bag in the traditional way, which would be around your waist. This is the bag. It is made out of shearling, and it's like an off-white cream shearling, and then it has a darker embossed color, which is like a dark chocolate brown. Here it has a little handle that you can obviously carry the bag in. It has a zip function that you can open underneath here, and the inside is red, and it has the little Louis Vuitton leather tag there. The belt function obviously is adjustable, and you can make it fit you how you wish, whether again if you want it to be around the waist or if you want that to be a crossbody function. And it is a limited edition, so it is very hard to get your hands on it. So I suggest, if you like the look of this bag, then maybe start ringing around and hopefully somebody has it in stock. Now, let's talk prices. This bag cost, I cannot actually remember. So this bag cost $3,750 before tax. So with tax, it cost $4,096.88. Now obviously that might be different for you depending on what state tax you're in and things like that, but that's how much it cost me, and I just adore it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It goes with practically everything that I wear. My aesthetic and vibe is cream, dark tones, brown tones, and red. That's pretty much everything that I wear. I mean, look behind me. So I just knew I had to have it. How practical is this bag? I mean, I suppose it's the same as any other bum bag. I wouldn't say that this bag is necessarily one that you would wear every single day maybe, but more of like a special piece that you kind of want to bring out when you want to really boost up your outfit and bring it up a notch, because obviously the other bum bags are made out of leather and they're more so for an everyday wear. In terms of maintenance with the shearling, I don't know whether it's going to age well or not. I'm yet to find out. I don't know how much wear I'm actually going to get out of it, to be honest with you. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my new little bum bag. I don't have the leather bum bag just yet, but I will be purchasing one in the near future, just for more everyday wear, because I like the style that the bum bag gives. But this is the one that I got for now, and I love it. I hope you guys love it. This new limited edition bum bag. Let's talk about it, you guys. Let me know what you think of this bag. Is it like a no for you? Is it like a, oh yeah, really love that? Or, you know, let me know what you think about this bag. And I will have another video on the other bag that I said I got. and I might have a little surprise video with maybe another bag after that one, so stay tuned for those. Remember to let me know whether I should do a giveaway if you guys would be interested in that. I would just need to reach 1,000 subscribers, but I'm not going to bother doing it if you guys aren't really interested in the giveaway, so let me know by subscribing. Therefore, I will know that you want me to do a giveaway video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about the bag, and I will see you guys in my next one.